Okay, so in this problem, um, we've got a rocket. So here's our rocket. And the rocket shoots this way a bunch of fuel. And the fuel is 50 grams. And the rocket, now what it says is actually the rocket is 4 kilograms. So what that assumes is that the 4 kilograms is equal to the rocket plus the fuel. Okay? So in effect, this rocket here, its mass is equal to 4 kilograms, which is 4,000 grams minus 50 grams. Okay? Now the rocket's going this way. What we're told is that the mass of the fuel, which is going to the left in this case, is traveling at a velocity of 625 meters per second. What we're asked to find is, what's the velocity of the rocket? We don't know what that is right now, but we can figure that out. This is a classic explosion type of a question. And the explosion types of question, of course, we always start out with the conservation of momentum. And what's the original momentum? Well, originally, this is kind of like an after picture, and a before picture would basically look like this. And here's the fuel inside, and it hasn't left yet. Nothing's moving in this case. So originally, we have no momentum. Afterwards, we have the mass of the fuel times the velocity of the fuel plus the mass of the rocket times the velocity of the rocket. Therefore, it can be seen algebraically that if you solve for this, you get that. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for the velocity of the rocket. So we can rearrange this to be like this. We divide this by the mass of the rocket, and we get the velocity of the rocket. So what are these values? Well, the mass of the fuel, we know, that's actually 50 grams. Now we're going to express this in terms of kilograms. So that's going to be 0.050 kilograms. And the velocity of the fuel is, now we got to specify which direction is negative and positive. I'm going to say that's the positive direction. So that means the fuel is traveling in the negative direction of 625 meters per second. All divided by the mass of the rocket, which is, what is that, 4,950. Oops. That's kilograms. So that's going to be 4.95. No, 3. Gosh, my math is fantastic. 3. That's a 395 kilograms. Okay. And so if we do that on our calculator, we're going to get 0.05, enter 625 negative times 3.95 divided by, and so we're going to get a value of 7.91 meters per second. Okay? And that's the velocity of the rocket. And you notice it's positive, which means the rocket is traveling to the right. 7.91. So, simple explosion problem. That's how you do it. Okay, thanks for watching.